Everybody, Lumiastream here from Lumiastream. Today's video is going to be all about Twitch channel points. The first step to setting up channel points is to go ahead and go into your connections and make sure that Twitch is connected with Lumiastream. Now scroll up to commands and you're going to see Twitch points. Go ahead and click on that. Let's talk about your Twitch channel points. If you already have a bunch integrated on Twitch, there's no easy way for you to be able to pull those into Lumiastream. For this, all you need to do is hit add a command. Make sure it's the exact same word that you have. So the channel point name on Twitch, make sure it's exactly spelled correctly the same way on Lumia. Making sure that it's the same amount of channel points as well. And then it's as simple as hitting the link button and then moving forward. Anytime you want to edit anything, you can just do that on Lumiastream. It will automatically transition that on your Twitch account. Now let's say you want to either add a new command or you don't have any. The first step is going to go ahead and click the add command button. In this section, you can go ahead and choose your lights, devices, HUDfx, audio, your conditions, or a bunch of Lumia actions that you can create if you want to go ahead and pull overlays. Or maybe you're connected with Spotify and you want to be able to play or pause or skip the song using channel points. You can set that all up in this section. Once you're done with that page, go ahead and hit next step. And here's the important part. You're going to name the command what you want it to be, that's going to be your viewers are going to see that name, as well as choosing how many channel points it's going to be worth. In the next section, you can decide which user level you want to be able to have access to this. Maybe it's just mods that you want. Maybe it's subs only. In here, you can choose that. Or if you want everybody, just leave it the way it is. You can also choose the duration of how long you want this alert to go for. In the fourth and final step, you can choose if you want this to only happen once a day or once per user. You can set all your parameters on this section. That's going to go ahead and close that screen. So now you're just going to be left back with your basic command. Now you're going to notice that there's a little section here that's going to say click to link. Because you don't have anything on Twitch to link it with, go ahead and hit the sync with Twitch. That's going to take the information from Lumia and send it over to Twitch. And that is how you create Twitch channel points on Lumia to be able to adjust to whatever you want, and it goes directly to Twitch. You can head over to your Twitch and now see them all within your Twitch channel points page. So I understand some of you that are watching are new to Lumiastream and you don't know how exactly each of those sections works. So let me go ahead and within the command show you what you can do, kind of give you an idea of each section. In lights, what you can do is change the color. You can have the scenes, the reactions, the builds up, whatever you have already set up within Lumiastream, you can go ahead and click it on here. You can go ahead and test the lights to see, okay, what lights are working, what it's going to do, to be able to figure out if that's what you want for your command. In plugs and key lights, this is all the extra devices that you have connected. So for me, for example, I have some smart plugins that go with my ping pong launcher that I can allow people to pay like 1,000 channel points and they can hit me with a ping pong. If that's what you want to do, this is the section that you're going to want to activate and deactivate that. So for example, your ping pong machine, your lights, whatever it is, you're going to see at the start of the command, you're going to go ahead and add whatever it is that you're wanting to add in. You want the power to be on or off. So in this example, you're going to want it to get powered on. And then you're going to make sure at the end section, you're going to go ahead and hit the same device. And then this time you're going to say the power to off. So then when the channel point redemption is triggered, it's going to go ahead, fire the ping pong, hit you, but then turn off so it doesn't keep firing at you. The next section is the chat bot. This allows you to customize, if you enable it, a message for anybody that's going to use that channel point redemption. If you want it to be something silly like Ask the Magic 8-Ball, we have a help me create a chatbot message helper that all you need to do is click on that. We have example messages, or you can give the description of what you're looking for, hit the create button, and that will automatically help you generate a chat message that is specific for what you're asking for. And from this section, you can either have it sending to all platforms if you're a multi-streamer, or simply just keep it on Twitch. The next section is text-to-speech. You can enable a text-to-speech to play while you're utilizing this channel point feature. And the really cool thing that we have is that you can also use the Marketplace AI text-to-speech that allows you to use different characters or different special voices being prompted through it. Just keep in mind that this does use your monthly quota, but no worries if you run out because you can always top up. For audio, you can upload your own audio. You can use your own asset store, or you can use audio that we've uploaded. In cooldown, you can just add additional cooldowns for your channel point redemption. In the HUDfx tab, you can go ahead and set up any HUDfx that you want. We do have a tutorial video out now about HUDfx, so if you have any questions about that or are struggling, make sure to check out that video. Conditions and codes are for much advanced users, so I'm going to go ahead and let UI Thinker go ahead and take over this section.
Thanks, Christine. Now let's take a look at the condition tab. When you click Add Condition, a new condition row is created with a variable, operator, and value. You can add as many conditions as you need by clicking Add Condition again, and you can combine them using and/or, depending on the scenario that you are after. For example, let's say you want this Twitch channel point reward to trigger only when the Twitch channel title contains just chatting, or when the username is UI Thinker and the message contains hello. You can test your conditions using the preview panel on the right, or save your command and test it directly from Twitch. Finally, you have the when conditions are not met section. Here, you can choose to stop the action entirely or send a chat message, including the failure reason. If you'd like to learn more about conditions, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the description below. Next, let's look at the Custom Code tab. Here you can write JavaScript to create more advanced and complex behavior. You can also explore the code marketplace where the community shares reusable code snippets. For example, here's the roll dice script. Every time a user redeems this channel point, a random number is generated. If the result is 3, Lumiastream triggers a TTS message congratulating the user and announcing that they rolled a 3. You can build much more than that, including chatbot logic, custom workflow, and advanced automations. Be sure to check out our custom code documentation linked in the description below. That's it for me. Back to you, Christine.
In the action section, think about everything that you can do within Lumia, you can run in this section. Let's just say that for Spotify, you want somebody to be able to skip a queue if they pay like 10,000 points. You know what? They don't want to listen to this song, they can skip the song. Well, you can actually go ahead, set up Spotify in this section, make it skip the song, and then this way people are having to pay a crazy amount of points if they decide that they want to skip a song that they don't like. That's just one example of how you can use actions within your channel point redemption. And that's how to set up your Twitch channel points within Lumiastream. If it was helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.